Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Good evening. I am here today and I want to make up a I want to make a cover the from the very famous singer in the US, and he is Todo, and he is Ed Sheeran, and we want to make a cover with his song entitled Thinking Out Loud, and I hope you will enjoy it and you will like this one too, and you will subscribe in my account here in YouTube. So here it goes now. I'm just sorry. But okay, here it goes. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And now I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of a hand. For me, I fall in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all back and my memory fades, and the crowds will remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of a plan. Well, I just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now there you have it, guys. A song, yeah, a song from Ed Sheeran, Thinking Out Loud. And I hope you will subscribe here in my account in YouTube, and I hope you will enjoy my performance, because yeah, that's the best I can do. And bye bye. Okay.